Let's work on a complex, unfamiliar problem for matrices. Donuts are sold in packs of 6 for $5. Coke is sold for $11 for a pack of 12. Large chips are on sale at a price of $6 for 2. A. Write a row matrix to express items per packet. Okay, we're going to record the items per packet in a matrix called A, and it's a row matrix. And each item will be put in the order donuts, Coke, chips. So for donuts, they come in packs of 6, so we'll go ahead and write 6 in there. Coke is sold for $11 in a pack of 12, so that number is 12. And large chips are on sale at a price of $6 for 2. So let's put the 2 in there, and that is your answer for that section. Okay, part B is express the cost of each in a column matrix. So we go ahead and call this B, and it's a column matrix. And we're going to have donuts, Coke, and chips. It must be in the same consecutive order as matrix A. And if we go back and have a look, donuts are sold for $5, so we'll put the 5 in there. Coke is sold for $11 and large chips for $6. The supermarket sales are listed in matrix C in column format and D in row format. As you can see, they're exactly the same, just in different formats. Use the correct matrix to solve I, total number of individual items sold. So we know that the total number of individual items sold is the sum of the items per packet multiplied by the packets sold, the number of packets sold. So the items per packet is represented in matrix A, which is a row matrix of 1 times 3. So in order to get a 1 by 1 matrix and have the sum defined, we've got to multiply it by a 3 by 1, which is a column matrix, and therefore C is the correct one to use here. So let's go ahead and solve this multiplication. Now just before we go ahead, let's just be sure that we've got the right order. So donuts, Coke, chips, donuts, Coke, chips. That's really important. Okay, now we're going to multiply it out. So we've got 6 by 20 plus 12 by 50 plus 2 by 40. And that equals 120 plus 600 plus 80. And finally, adding that up, you'll get 800. So that basically means that there are 800 items in total that were sold. And for item 2, use the correct matrix to solve total value of sales. Okay, as you know, total value of sales is equal to dollars per packet multiplied by number of packets sold. So now we are working with B matrix, but because it's a column matrix and we want to end up with a single value, we want to have another matrix multiplying by the B matrix. And that matrix will be the D matrix. Now the reason being is that D is a row matrix, so it's a 1 by 3, and the price matrix, which is B, is a 3 by 1 column matrix. Now that's defined And the final matrix will be a 1 by 1, which is exactly what you want. You want one value, which gives you your total sales. So that's going to work. So let's go ahead and carry out the matrix multiplication. We've got 20 by 5 plus 50 by 11 plus 40 by 6. So continuing with that sum, we have 100 plus 550 plus 240. And that equals 890. So the total value of sales equals $890. So that completes this complex unfamiliar matrices problem. Please like, share and subscribe, and keep an eye out for more videos.